Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete all text messages on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete all text messages on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Messages app on your iPhone. Click on Edit, click on Select Messages. Then go ahead and select all the messages you have on your iPhone. Once you've selected all the messages, go ahead and click on Delete. And once you click on the delete button, this is going to delete all the messages you selected. You want to repeat this on all selected messages, select them, and then click on the delete button at the bottom right. And that is going to delete all the messages on your iPhone. To delete them permanently, what you want to do is this. So if you want to delete all the messages permanently, click on the menu at the top right, locate and click on recently deleted. And here you have all deleted messages. Now go ahead and check all the messages again, and then click on the try button at the bottom right to delete them permanently. And that's it. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.